Time to have dinner. Panda Express edition. I have the Beijing beef and the honey sesame chicken breast. Just got a bunch of lo mein. I don't eat panda often, but there's something about it that I really love. They also have cheese rangoon. And they better be crispy. Pronto. I just went to the movies and I ate so much popcorn. But I was still hungry when I left, so I thought, let's get a little snack. I went to see Scream.
Get ready.
It was good. I give the movie like a 5 or 6 out of 10. There's something about Scream 6 that I really liked. I think I'm just going to start going to the movies every Sunday. Some blue Powerade, my favorite drink. Here's a bite for you. You left a noodle. What? You want some cheese rangoon too? You're greedy. Not you eating all the cream cheese out of it. I should know by now not to share with you. I saw a TikTok that said you're supposed to chew each bite for 30 times before you swallow it. Hello, who's doing that? Let's try to chew our food 30 times. It's actually doable. I was wrong. I want to twerk on the floor. You want to twerk on the floor. Mama's full. This is what I do every time I'm done eating and I have a styrofoam container. Let's read our fortune. You are humorous and cheerful with good friends. Good night.